how to change language in your Messenger app. So first of all, you'll have to open Messenger, and as you can see, language here right now is Spanish, so I have changed my language to Spanish. So if I want to change it back to English, unfortunately there is no option for it to change in the app itself, so you will have to change your language of your entire phone settings. So in order to do that, you will have to go to your home screen and go to your settings. Once you open your settings, go down until you find your general management, and the first one will be your language option, and you can select it to the United Kingdom English or the US English and apply it. Once you apply it, it may take a while to change the language. Once it does, you can go back on your Messenger app like so and refresh your app once, close all of your recent tabs and reopen your app. And once you open your app, this will set up your language. If you check on your settings, everything now should be on English. And that's how you can change your language in Messenger. I hope you found this video helpful. Please consider subscribing, and thank you for watching the video. I'll see you guys on the next one.